In this video, I'm going to show you how to find or get a promo code for Ticketmaster. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up my Google Chrome on my mobile device. I'm going to head on over to Google. And now I'm going to type in promo codes for Ticketmaster. Alright, then you'll be brought to a whole list of results here. Ticketmaster, Australian coupons and promo codes. You got Ticketmaster, voucher code from Groupon, we've got Coupon Follow, Retail Me Not. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go to Coupon Follow because I find this website is the most useful out the lot for this website. So as you can see here, 50% off, Ticketmaster your order, you got 30% off, etc. So to activate any one of these codes, simply click onto it. So I'm going to click on the Ticketmaster coupon, 50% off your order. And now what I want to do is copy this code here, DAD50, paste this code at the checkout section of Ticketmaster of your order. Look for it where it says enter promo or discount code. Paste that code in to activate 50% off your order.